That's right, it's time for killer wipers on the Cube. Ugh.
What time is it? It's time to die.
Time to die. Hello and welcome to Salt Nation TV. In this episode, I've already described what we're doing, and that is getting rid of the rear wiper.
It didn't have a blade on it anyway.
No, I broke the blade off. In the first day I had it, came back, broke the blade off.
So remove that.
Yes, we've already taken the trim out.
New Cube owners, if you want to turn it, Cube owners.
Cube owners. So all this was held on by is just clips. So you've got
clips.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
12.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11, yeah.
11 clips, maybe 12, maybe I've miscounted.
And we went to take that off, and it just didn't really do anything.
No, it didn't. No, yeah, we took a little section part off, and that was nothing. But really easy to come off. This is always the bit of a pain in the ass, is getting this off, and then getting the wiper structure itself off.
So we pulled that one out, which is obviously the switch to the motor, and then you've got two 10mm here. But then it's a bit unknown for me what we do next after that, so I'll have to wait and see.
Well, what we do after that is remove this, essentially, the housing. Like that, yeah. So
what nut is it, 12mm?
So it looks like a 12, yeah. So yeah, actually it's relatively easy. On the Mini, it wasn't easy, and I had to hacksaw it off. Believe it or not, I hacksawed it off my R53. So Ed's just throwing bolts on the floor like he doesn't give a shit. Look at that face, the face of a man that doesn't give a shit. Oh, somebody else's car, don't care. There's one there, mate.
Is there one there? Yeah. It says 3.
So 3 on the back.
3 10mm.
And what looks to be a 12 on the other side. So far, it's actually pretty easy.
Even 2 monkeys can do it.
Yeah. And this says back door. There. It says back door on the plastic.
Alright. Why not in Japanese?
I can say it in Japanese if you want. A back door.
Why is it not in Japanese there?
I don't know.
There you go.
Yeah, so now we just
I
need to
reckon
remove
if I move that, you hold that.
Yeah, yeah.
Maybe we should have done it the other way around, but we didn't.
Yeah, but we didn't know, did we? No. So we removed the motor.
I can fit in it all right.
We got a Dremel out. My Dremel, which I put somewhere. Somebody might have nicked it already. I don't know. Because we had to Dremel off the plastic part of the rear wiper because we couldn't get the actual nut to move at all. So we managed to take the main nut off. Then the actual sort of black end part that attaches to the thread of the screw that goes in from the, so this bit, I had to Dremel that off and then pull it through, and that worked fine. So thankfully I had a Dremel, and we're cooking on gas. So now we've got to put in the killer wipers bung. You get resin, just kill it. This is my second wiper delete kit. Had one for the R53. So yeah, we're going to do that, stick it in, let it dry, and then we're winning. And Ed is just there talking to Mark, one of my neighbours. See through there. So yeah, you know, this is going to look far cleaner, and it's going to be done in time, even though this video will be out afterwards. It's going to be done in time for Forge at JDM Cube. So Forge Action Day, this will be
cool.
Right, Mark?
Afternoon.
Glory hole.
Oh.
Hello.
Porkies.
Oh.
Oh.
Mark's definitely done that before. He got Mark got a black eye once.
Is that a toilet holder? Or are you just pleased to see me?
Oh, right at the back of my throat, that one,
Oh, hello. That's what Ed says on a daily, yeah.
So what's the next step, Sugar Muffin?
Well, we just need to stick it in and resin it in place.
What are the
cable ties for?
Yeah.
No need for them.
But what are they for?
I don't know. I mean, there's instructions, Ed, but we don't do instructions, do we?
Why's that got? That's not sticky
no,
plastic, is it?
Yeah, you take that off when it's through. So you don't make it look.
Put it through then.
You need to get the resin on it.
That's like a pog.
Yeah.
So on my Micro, I did it the other way around. That's meant to be inside the hatch, and that's outside the window.
Outside, isn't it?
And I've dropped it and messed it all up.
I haven't messed it
But
up.
I made that on the outside of mine because I like the design. I'd rather have that design on the outside than nothing.
Cool story, bro.
Don't know what the zip ties are for.
They obviously know that we work on cars and quite like using zip ties.
What are you doing now?
I'm putting the resin.
Yeah.
I'm messing the resin up because it's annoying.
A Kurgan.
The Kurgan.
Yeah.
I am the Kurgan.
Highlander.
God, this is irritating.
Bed on Marketplace and had so many people. Oh, can I have it? It's still available. It's still available.
What have you got on Marketplace, Mark?
A bed.
A stained,
Size bed.
used bed.
Yeah.
Broken slats.
No.
No,
Perfect.
broken springs.
No.
Stinks. Covered in dog hair and beards.
Beard hair.
Yeah.
And it was COVID. I had COVID last week.
Did you?
Yeah.
So if anyone wants to find
How many
Mark's
times
ad,
have you had COVID now, Mark?
First time.
Oh, so you're not a superhero like me?
No. Well, I haven't even know you had it.
None.
Hands up,
yeah, but
mate.
you're jabbed up to the eyeballs.
I am, yeah.
You're Mr. Jab.
So you hold that like that.
I'm jabbed to the eyeballs.
I'm not.
I've had 4.
I've had none.
Ange was in there with me for the whole week and didn't even test positive.
No, that's exactly what happened when Bex had it. COVID chat on Salt Nation TV.
I'm a rare, untainted blood. You guys are going to be turning to Mighty Morphin Power Rangers in 10 years'
What
time.
do you mean turn into?
Yeah.
We
I
are
already
already.
am, yeah.
Underneath this t-shirt, there's this fat person lurking to get out.
Lurking?
Gherkin?
Well,
More like a gherkin.
not so much lurking as in
Smirking.
Peeping Tomtin.
Right, that is...
So if anyone wants to find Mark's mattress on Facebook Marketplace, give
Just
it
have a look, yeah.
give
You know,
it a-
just have a look if you live in the Exeter area.
Message him as
well, no,
well.
because someone's coming over in a minute to get it.
Oh, so they might be on camera, Mark.
So
They
this
might
is
be on
sold.
camera.
This is going to be sold.
I mean, this is. I mean,
The dog is.
this video would normally be quite boring because once you've got that in,
It's done.
Thank
You've
you,
got to
good
wait
old
70
wipers.
72 hours you've got to wait
yeah, I
before
know.
you wash the car.
I'm not going to wash the
Before
car
you
until
start.
Friday, but you know, looks all right. I've got to take that bit off.
You wait the 72 hours and you find it doesn't seal, it rains and you find the boots full up.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah,
And you
Well,
think,
he's used to
"Ah,
water in the boot.
yeah. My Accord had that.
Oh yeah, well, you got
So yeah,
that."
it's got to wait for that to dry. So yeah,
So, yeah,
just give
that's-
that 5 minutes and
No,
put the
72 hours.
yeah,
mate.
but 5 minutes and we'll put the trim back on. 5 minutes, yeah. Ed?
This tape can be removed after 1 hour.
Ugh.
What was actually holding it in for it to have
Your
to
mum.
wait 72 hours?
It's just how long it takes the resin to set.
Oh.
That's my assumption, at least, anyway.
It
Does look all right. Yeah, it looks
Yeah,
fine.
it's fine.
It's just-
Yes.
obviously, the car needs a wash, but wiper delete. Kill all wipers, wiper delete.
In for the win.
Nissan Cube 3 or Cubic Tech Rider. Oh yeah, doesn't work at the moment. Doesn't work. But yeah, and you know, obviously that's the name of our channel.
Yeah.
That's one of our channel sponsors there, Super Square, and one of the others. There we go. That's the main one, Exo Racing. Ooh,
Kim for the win.
Kim and Matt for the win. So yeah, not a particularly hard install, really, was
No,
it?
that was good. We've had 2 good, easy installs, haven't we,
Yeah.
recently? So yeah.
So yeah, we're cooking on gas basically. But yeah, that looks so much cleaner. I mean, if we see it from the profile like that. I mean, I hate rear wipers anyway, and that is far cleaner. Nice, nice, nice. So yeah, 2 simple, well, basically 2 actions. Take off the trim, unscrew, and remove the
Yeah,
windscreen wiper motor.
Anyone can do it.
Yeah, especially if you've got a Dremel.
yeah.
If you've got a Dremel, you can just chop off anything
It
that's
was a
rusted
bit
on.
rusted on.
So, we're all good. So we
Boys
hope
in
you
the hood.
boys in the hood,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
So we hope you've enjoyed this video, especially the marketplace conversation with Mark, my neighbour.
Oh, he
Um,
sold the bed now.
Yeah, the bed's gone.
So,
You might have overheard that.
So live update is not available now. His
No.
semen stained bed.
Yeah, so disappointing. So yeah, we hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, then please subscribe, turn on notifications, and find us on social media and shit. Yeah. And until the next time, I've been me, you've been you, Ed's been Ed, and we're done for that.
Who buys a used bed?
You?
Especially off like big sweaty men.
Harsh.
It's gonna be horrible, isn't it?
No, it'll be fine. He's he's clean.
I'm not very clean.
Mm.